2006 Hyundai Elantra, driver's side window controls not working. So I ordered a switch from Amazon and I got it, and it's the wrong switch. It doesn't have the power door lock feature, that's the original. And the shape of this connector for the mirror controls is different. So I decided to try to fix the old switch to see what I could find. So I took it apart. It's very easy to take apart. It has this little hook tabs on it that pop right off with a screwdriver. I got inside to the switch, and this pack right here, all these solder joints, were completely obliterated with coffee. Probably coffee with sugar, so it attached to it and congealed and made a thick goo. I don't know if that's the whole problem or not. I cleaned that off, and I blew out all the switches with this electronics cleaner, and I used a little brush to scrub it. Cleaned the other side, and now it works. So it was a really simple repair. So before you replace it, try to fix it. It's easy to fix. Well, it's easy to get to, easy to take apart, and worth the try. Good luck.